In this video, we will show you how to fix lag and increase FPS in FC25. So in the main menu, go to settings, game settings, and display configuration. Now, if your game is running below 30 FPS, I will suggest you to lower all of the settings to low. You will lose some image quality, but if your game is running above 60 FPS, I will show you the settings to improve your FPS without lowering the graphic quality. So for the vertical sync, you can turn this off. The strand base here, you can turn it off. The rendering quality, you can set it to high or medium depending on your system. Grass quality, make it medium. And for the crowd quality, set it low because you're not gonna see them so often. The cloth quality, set it to medium. And then after that, for the motion blur quality, you can set it off. And now you go to visual. Here you can turn off all the visual you don't need, like play styles, overhead indicators, also the hyper motion inside overlays. And now you can go to Windows and search game modes. Make sure you turn it on. And then you go to system, display, and then graphics. And if you have FC25 here, make sure the GPU preference is high performance here. If you cannot find FC25, you can add the game here, add desktop app. Now you're gonna search for power plan. And for this settings, especially if you're using a laptop, make sure this is on high performance. And if you're using AMD GPU, you can go to gaming settings and then find FC25 here. In the graphics settings, you can enable Radeon anti-lag here. So that's it for this video. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.